Ladies and gentlemen, what's going down? I am your crypto computer man, and today I'm going to be tearing down PlayStation memory cards, see what's inside of them, while my daughter destroys stuff behind me. Forces of nature. These toddlers. So yeah, PlayStation 1 memory cards. Back in the day, I am expecting to see a battery in these suckers, just because of how old they are. Gotta say, PlayStation was definitely the first game system I ever came across that needed you to buy memory cards. I guess Sega CD was the same, but it actually came with some memory. Yeah, Sega CD came with enough memory for like one game. Now, come on. Sorry, I'm trying to find a good... There we go. Okay. Now these two are different colors, but they have the same model number on them, so I'm going to have a look. I'm curious. I want to see if they are both the exact same on the inside. Oh, definitely a little bit different. Yeah, I'll say. So this is the one that came from the white one. This is the one that came from the other one. So yeah, anyways, let's take a look at the white one. First, closest. Come on, which way are we going here?
Yeah.
Alright, now let's compare them. Actually, let me just do a zoom in. I think that'll work. I wonder, the one on the left, it has this extra chip here. I wonder what that one's supposed to do, what we're missing out on. Any information, if any of you guys know what's going on here, I'll get you to leave things in the description. I just like taking things apart, but I don't know what a whole lot of it on the inside does. I know what some things are, but definitely not all of them. Anyways, next up, aftermarket memory card enhancer has like so many layers of memory. It's insane. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. This on the back side, we've got the light. I just gotta get past her, and that flips the page on the memory. And then that's what we got. See how let's line them all up. Actually, maybe I should do it in the order that I opened them. Excuse me. That's better. So there they are, all three of them. I wonder how many different models they made. Anyways, that's it from me and my daughter Aggie's. Thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with Aggie's. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it, folks, and I'll catch you later.